Ito na po ba yung demo?
No, that's just ang demo lang. It's a different thing. But this is what we have served this in this shop.
Oh.
That's our tinola.
Tinola.
Yeah. This is our adobo.
Adobo.
This is our fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
This is our ano gani na inang
Curry.
no. I don't know what that is, but this is a grilled chicken.
Grilled.
Yeah.
All the rag.
All the rag. These are all the rag.
All the rag. Ito, yan yung demo na.
Yes.
Available na po ang agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. So kasama natin si Ma'am Lad Peñaranda at andito tayo sa Iloilo City pa rin. At si Ma'am Lad ang owner ng Abing's Darag Chicken
Trading. Hello! Welcome to Iloilo.
Yes, ma'am. Kwentuhan nyo naman kami, ma'am, but you're carrying darag na this time.
Kasi the darag chicken, there was darag chicken. I was working at the West Visayas.
Okay.
The darag chicken is talagang research ng West Visayas.
Yes.
And
is that the West Visayas State
University.
Alright.
It took 20 years, 8 generations of purification of the rag. The researcher, the father of the rag is here, Dr. Bernabe Coquin, and
Sige.
one of the researchers.
Interview natin later.
And then, it was the West Visayas already created the heritability, yung na-accomplish na yung darag talaga. So after that, mag-commercialize na siya.
Yes.
Sino ang gin-adapt? Dapat merong adapter yung darag.
Yes, yung research.
Yung darag. Oo. Diba, we are in commercialization and marketing. Kasi na-perfect na yung darag chicken technology. So the West Visayas State University looking for an association.
Okay.
It is the PADABA, the Panay Darag Chicken Breeder Association.
That's PADABA, Panay
Darag Chicken
Breeders Association.
That's it. That's PADABA. And then through the PADABA is the adapter of the rag technology.
Okay.
The PADABA is the one responsible for commercialization. What is the function of the PADABA? They are the one supplying the darag chicken to Department of Agriculture, to LGU, to state universities like UPLB, and Silliman State University. So the PADABA kung sabi nga nila, is talagang nakalipad na.
Okay.
Through commercialization, through deliveries of PADABA.
Okay.
And the last stage will be the completion of the complete chain ng native chicken, the darag chicken. Diba, punta tayo ng Iloilo. Kasi diba, yung darag chicken is sa Iloilo. So, saan namin siya makikita? So yan, usually, ang dream ni Dr. Bernabe Coquin to have the restaurant. And also, the dream of our President, Ma'am May Herbacia, to put the darag restaurant.
So are you the first who opened a darag restaurant?
Yes, this is the first. This will be to complete the cycle of of chicken to be open to the market.
Yes, yes.
Kumbaga, among the native chicken is, the darag native chicken is talagang marimis, yung yummy, yung
Yeah.
masarap talaga yung
Yeah.
meat compared to other native chicken. This is the complete chain of darag chicken.
Ito na yun.
Ito
Ito
na yun.
culminating of the 20 years research.
Yes, 8 generation. And then, this is the pride of Iloilo City.
Yes.
Because, pag sabi mo ng darag, Iloilo. Di ba?
Okay.
Panay.
Pero since Padaba, it's not just Iloilo, but it's the whole Panay
Yes,
Island.
it's a whole Panay Island.
So that's Iloilo,
Iloilo, Negros Occidental,
Negros, Occidental,
Antique, Aklan, and Capiz.
Capiz.
Yes. Also, before that, Guimaras part pa ng Panay.
Ng Panay. Oo, na nag-separate siya nga.
Oo.
Sige ma'am, tingnan natin ma'am, sige nga, ano
Okay.
ang pinagmamalaki ng
Okay.
Abings. Kumusta yung business ma'am ng
Darag.
Okay, so parang canteen ito, kumakain dito mga students.
Nang from West Visayas,
From West
yung mga
Visayas.
we have 3 schools here.
Okay.
The West Visayas, the Iloilo National High School, the ISAT State University. We have 2 hospitals, the Iloilo Mission Hospital and the West Visayas State University Hospital. With some of the halos na nandito sila.
It's a healthy food, ang darag.
Yes, talaga, sir. There are so many content of talaga yung mga eggs, everything. And then, by the way, nasa Grab na yung...
Ang sarap naman nito, ano to?
Oo, laswa.
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 Close up mo naman, Ella. Ang sarap to.
Laswa, yan. Laswa.
Okay.
Okay.
Sige,
And then we have...
laswa with darag? Hindi.
No, wala na. And then, nasa Grab na yung si darag. So, we offer the adobong manok, which is in Istiwitis, talagang patok nga sa kasi yung adobo is Istiwitis, only vinegar, ahos, yun lang talaga, as in, wala na maraming seasoning. Talagang traditional na pagluluto. And
Okay,
then,
ma'am. So aside from cook, darag, and other dishes, no? Kasi canteen
we have tinola,
You have
we have
tinola?
lechon,
lechon,
Oo.
lahat yan darag yan.
darag yan.
Darag lahat yan. Okay.
Oo. But I will be introducing the tinoom kasi as what
Tinoom.
doctor, tinoom will be open for the public kasi dati I only took the Grab lang and I do not the other company because limited yung stocks ng darag. Baka hindi ko
Ma-sustain.
ma-sustain. So sa
So
ngayon,
ibig sabihin malakas.
malakas talaga, sir. Kasi malakas talaga yung, di ba ang demand, Manong Rai, is very kahit yung eggs talaga. Yung eggs,
Okay, so aside from lutong darag na,
the Padaba deliver the ready to lay to the Department of Agriculture. Ready to lay
For
production
production
na.
yan. Okay.
Oo, for livelihood.
okay.
For livelihood. So talagang, we are happy because the Department of Agriculture, we supply thousands of darag up to Negros Occidental na sa Bukid, yung sa Antique, yung sa Aklan, lahat na Padaba deliver this all to the beneficiaries,
Okay.
the darag.
So siguro mamaya si President ang kakausapin natin
Yes.
about the businesses
Okay.
ng Padaba. Okay.
Yes.
But meantime, mag-concentrate tayo ma'am doon sa yung kita na. Yung kumikita na.
Okay.
Dito sa kainan.
You know,
Can you tour us doon sa lugar ma'am?
Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Reynold,
Alright. So ito yung
binakol at saka tinoom.
Dress for the occasion.
Yes, dapat! Kasi sabi yung born pa. Ay, Diyos ko!
Na-pressure.
Na-pressure ko, sir.
Ayan.
Nagpa-blower ako.
Saan ba ang background niya?
Parang
Dali
first
ka,
time mong
munting
gagamitin
tatlo.
to.
Dali ka, dali na. Dali na.
Malinis na to. Parang hindi pa malinis. Oh, may ano pa. Bawal ang mapawis kasi oiliness is next to ugliness.
Oy! Nagpa...
Tuloy ako na pang-out.
Ay, Sir, Doc Sinan, this is Dandan Fuentes, yung the youngest, yung kasama ni Ma'am Ness sa Kimaras.
Okay.
He is also the best seller of young farmers.
Oh, young farmers.
I-background na siya. May standee kami. No.
Oh, wow.
Yay! So,
Oh,
somewhere,
wow.
dito.
Aba.
Dito.
Oh, may production design, ha?
Oh, sige. Isa pa. Okay.
Dito yung isa.
Dito, isa.
Ayan,
Hindi ko
pwede na
alam
dyan.
na star ko galing na.
Yun.
Diyos ko, Lord. Sir, gwapo, picture.
Ayan.
Sir, gwapo. Picture kami.
Ay,
Dali lang, picture kami.
Sir, gwapo
Ay,
daw.
ko na. Okay lang. Si picture kami, Anay, ma'am. Laksinan, come here. Sir, gwapo.
Hintayin natin. Hintayin natin
Dali
sila
lang,
nagpipicture pa sila.
And then we will go to Sir Cookie. Sir Cookie, dali ba na yung nanay, sir?
Kasi kapag wala pang...
Oo, sir, dali na. Ma'am Lucing, dali na. Okay, naon. Diyan sila ni... Okay.
Ayan.
Gee, sabi ni sir. Okay, we will start na. Nakuha mo na yung mobalas, anak?
Yung demo natin, kung sa nagde-demo, lahat sila kasama. So, pag nagre-react sila, kasama na sila.
Kasama kayo ha, during the kwan.
Okay, Ma'am Lad.
Okay, sige.
Okay, so kasama pa rin natin si Ma'am Lad.
Okay.
At this time, magde-demo na tayo paano magluto ng
Ano una? Inom.
tinuog. Ayan. Sir, mapakilala man natin.
Okay.
Ah.
This is my youngest and pugi na chef.
Oh,
Si
chef.
Reynold Ramos.
Ayan.
Na-
Okay, kailangan mo ba ng water? Gata. Okay. Sige, so nagpi-prepare pa lang tayo, no?
Yes, okay.
Preparing lang muna. So, itong tinuob is a traditional dish
Oo.
ng Ilonggo.
Ng Ilonggo. Kasi pag pumupunta ka ng Tinuom,
Hmm.
talagang pag sabi ng Tinuom, nasa dahon ng saging.
Yun ang
Ay.
ibig sabihin nun.
Oo.
Okay, so pag sama-samahin lahat ng ingredients dyan, so merong onion, luya, garlic, kamatis, lemongrass, and garlic. Tapos yung chicken, any part of the chicken, basta darag.
Oo, darag.
Ayan. Salt. Okay.
1 to 2 years siguro.
Black pepper. And ano po yan? Patis. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Alright. Then, ibabalot natin. Okay. Okay. Tubig.
Tubig. Okay.
Gano'ng kadaming tubig yon?
1 cup.
1 cup. Okay, so habang naghihintay tayo ng 25 minutes.
We can cook the binakol.
Isabay na natin. Okay, ito naman yung binakol. Ma'am Lad,
Yes,
so pag
sir.
sinabi mo naman binakol, ano naman ang
Ang
kakaiba sa
tatak na
kanya?
binakol is merong coconut.
Meat.
Meat,
Coconut meat na young.
Na young, oo.
Young. And
the coconut water.
water.
Oo.
Coconut water. So parang tinola, pero you're using coconut.
Yes, sir. Oo.
Mm.
Yung tinola, walang patatas at saka carrots.
Carrots.
Oo. Kasi yung nagbibigay ng malasang one is the coconut water in the
Coconut meat.
coconut.
Young coconut meat.
We will be open through Grab.
Oo.
So kasi dream ni Dr. Cookie na yung tinuom palagi niya pinupush yung tinuom, di ba sir? Tinuom. Sa Kabatuan. So dapat merong sa Grab. Kasi yung iba na mga overseas, pag nakita nilang darag, usually, di ba familiar sila ng darag?
Oo.
Pero saan sila bibili?
Okay.
According to the food delivery,
Mm.
the darag chicken is the only food among here in Iloilo. Yung native chicken na na market is only Abing's Darag Chicken Trading because we have the stocks of darag meat because it's very limited. The Padaba Breeders Association composed of many farmers. Yung farm nila from Guimaras, like yung kay Ma'am Nes, yung Capis, everything, still kinukulang kami kasi magsusupply kami sa DA, Department of Agriculture, is in hundreds and in thousands. So that's why
Ito yung i-disseminate nila?
yung disperse nila
Dispersal.
sa dispersal for livelihood sa mga beneficiaries, yung typhoon victim, yun. So yan ang binibigay. Usually yung ratio is the good ratio is 5:1, 5 hen and 1 rooster. But in order to the DA will makatipid, pwede din 4:1. 4 na nunga at saka isang
Lalaki.
sulog. O, isang lalaki.
Sige, ma'am.
Ready
Ma'am,
to lay na yan.
ayusin ko lang. Ma'am, ayusin ko lang. Okay, ma'am. Usapang negosyo tayo.
Okay, sir.
Kumusta ang negosyo ng
About
pagluluto ng darag meat?
Darag meat, okay. For the tinola, I only serve for tinola.
Okay.
And the adobo and the
Okay.
lechon. For tinola, kasi if magluluto ko ng binakol, yung mga ng iba is hindi na talaga laborious. So yung tinola is medyo mas easy lulutuin, mas mabilis.
At saka everybody eats tinola. Parang
Yes,
ganon.
oo, with papaya, daun sili, everything. Itong mga binakol at saka tinong for special occasion.
Okay.
Oo, talagang special. So para and then the adobo is talagang, ang adobo namin is talagang patok sa madla. Kasi we are craving for the adobo.
Okay,
Kasi-
ma'am. Ilang darag ang
Na-consume namin every day.
kinukonsume nyo every day?
It's around 10.
10.
10. Hindi pa yung full force na market ha.
Oo, yung lang.
Minimum.
Okay. So, anong mga plano nyo? Gusto nyo palakihin?
Yes.
Gaano kalaki ang gusto nyo
No.
malaki later on?
No. For the meantime, before, limited talaga kasi yung stocks ng darag is very limited.
Okay.
But ngayon, we have the Pansi, the Panay Darag Native Chicken. It was, it's a grant from World Bank, DA and PRDP. It's 18 million. Now, yung Pansi namin, marami ng darag na available for
Okay, so
slaughter.
dumami yung farmers?
Marami ng stocks. So, this time, I will introduce na the tinoom. The tinoom lang.
Gaano kadami po yung darag na live animal so far?
Yung kay Ma'am Nes, sa farm niya is almost 800. Yung
Wow.
sa Pansi is around, sa ngayon is around 5,000.
Okay.
Oo.
Sila yung biggest?
Sa ngayon, kasi is supposed to be, is 1,600 na breeder stocks. But because of the limitation of the building, we started for the 480.
Okay.
So talaga ngayon is marami talaga. So sila nagsusupply sa amin, nagsusupply. Usually yung sinusupply ng farmers yung mga roaster. Di ba
Okay.
usually mag-deliver ka
Yes.
is 4
Sige, ma'am.
4:1.
So, at this point, wala kayong problema sa stocks.
Wala na.
Kung ano ang kailangan mo, may makukuha na darag.
Yes, sir.
Ando na kayo sa ganong stage ngayon.
Yes, sir. Okay, like Ma'am Nes, marami siyang sulog like the other farmers. Kasi yung sulog, the rooster is talagang kumain. Malakas kumain ng kids. Usually, yung ratio ng delivery is 4 na munga at isang sulog. So, mostly yung sulog, for slaughter na yan.
Okay,
Yan. Like, so talagang maka-help. Si Abing's naka-help dito for slaughter.
Yeah.
Yung mga RTL, yung mga good breeders is yung dinideliver namin sa negros.
Sige, ma'am. you said na si Abyss ay nagko-consume ng 10 chicken a day.
Yes.
At plano nyo mag-expand, palakihin. Kasi yung 10 chicken ay walang marketing. Naturally, dumadating lang yung kakain dyan para dun sa 10. Pag ima-market nyo po, how many chicken probably ang kakailanganin ninyo? At capable ba ang organization to supply you the darag?
As of now,
Chicken.
based on the inventory among the farmers, because nakita nila yung market ng darag, based sa DA. Because during the March 2020, last year, March 2022, yung nagmancom yung Department of Agriculture, yung si Secretary Darpa, you know, they requested to showcase the darag. We cook the arroz caldo, the adobo, the tinola, the lechon. You know what? Lahat simot na pagkain is ang darag.
Okay.
Kasi masarap talaga. And then the DA is helping us to level up. Magiging NMIS, magiging FDA approved para papalabas kami ng
ma'am.
mga
So that will be on a bigger scale yan.
Yes, later.
So going back doon sa Abings, how many chickens ang kaya nyong lutuin kung ima-market nyo na talaga siya?
How many a day?
A day, yes.
A day. If I'm planning to add the tinuom sa market sa Grab.
Yes.
So siguro around 20. Kasi yung magagamit namin sa adobo is 6 heads talaga eh.
Okay.
A day. Pag i-introduce ko na si fried chicken sa market din, magiging double pa.
Okay.
So around plus 10. So magiging
30
20.
30 chickens a day. Kaya?
20, I think 20.
20?
To
Okay.
25.
Yung 20 chickens a day, is it a viable business?
For that, siguro, yes sir.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Alright. Magkano po yan?
Okay. The real, no talaga, para lang
Hindi, kasi ganito yan. The reason why I'm asking this kind of question, kasi yung audience natin, para ma-encourage sila na mag-alaga ng darag. Kung meron talagang masasabi natin na negosyo dyan.
Yes sir. Talaga. Kasi the darag is really the premium meat.
Okay.
The premium meat. As they considered it, kahit sa DA, di ba sir? So, talagang masarap talaga ang darag. So, in order to showcase the darag through yung sa pagluluto namin. And to help the farmers, yung kuha ko sa farmers na per kilo na dress is around
I-believe ko na lang. Sige, ibulong mo sa akin, ma'am.
you know, between 300 to 350.
Wow, ma'am!
Yes,
That's just dress, ha?
dress. You know, the ready to lay na dini-deliver namin, the actual price is 600. Yung roaster is 700. But this year, we increased to 100. Yung hen, magiging 700. Yung rooster, maging 800. Because of the feeds cost. Hindi na kaya ng farmer. Saan nila kunin yan?
Sige, ma'am. Yung portion na yon ipapadiscuss natin sa mga farmers later
Oo,
on.
sila.
Let's concentrate doon sa paano tayo kumita pag tayo ay nagluluto ng darag.
Okay.
Okay. So, yung 20 chicken a day,
Is makaya, sir.
may malaki, maganda na ang kita doon?
Hindi pa. Around 20%. Okay? Because this chicken talaga is importante kahit 20% lang yung net mo. Kasi mahal eh.
Mahal siya, no?
Hindi ko gusto baratin yung
Yes,
farmers
yes,
talaga.
yes.
Maawa ka sa kanila, sir.
Okay.
So I have to yung mga customer, alam naman nila, pupunta sila doon sa market, mahal na, kuha nila,
So,
pero
mahal
hindi
mo
pa
rin
sila sure.
binibenta. Let's say yung tinuom, Or
we do not sell the Tinomir in Iloilo, the one selling there, not choosing the rag, is around 400 plus. Yung isang supo talaga.
okay.
Ilang pieces lang ng chicken. It's not the whole chicken.
Mm.
It's half or depending
Okay.
ng slices.
Okay.
Here we are, yung tinola naman is 2 pieces na tinola na cut is only 60 pesos. But
Kikita
ngayon,
ka doon sa 60 pesos?
no, sa ngayon, because tumaas lahat ng mga bilihin, kahit sa gasol, lahat ng ingredients, nag-add ako ng 5 pesos, nagiging 65 pesos.
5.
Oo,
5
ikaw
na
din.
increase ni ma'am.
Kasi mahirap naman, kasi yung
Okay.
mga customer.
Baka hindi rin ma-afford ng customers.
Oo,
Okay.
important kahit may increase lang. Di ba, yung ang mahal talaga ng bilihin. And then, for the adobo, we also increase man. Talaga, kahit yung gasol, lahat, everything.
Okay, ma'am. So, mas mahal ang darag if you're going to buy darag meat. It's more expensive rather than buying a native chicken na ordinary.
Yes, sir. Almost the same.
Okay.
But the quality, di ba, makita mo doon is 350 yung sa market, di ba? Between 300 to 350. But doon, ang binibili mo, hindi mo pa alam kasi matigas. Yung pagluluto mo is talagang matagal, di ba? Matigas pa yon. Hindi na. Kasi it's around 10 to 15 minutes, luto na.
Luto na.
Kasi malambot yung darag.
Okay.
At saka swabe. So, hindi ka talagang darag is a premium wheat.
Okay. Premium kasi talaga.
Premium commodity.
Alright. Sige po. Are we ready to... sige po, umpisa natin. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. So, anong... Magigisa. Okay.
Oil.
Oil. And garlic. Onion. Ma'am, may tanong lang ako. Paano mo yan wino-work? Kasi darag is a premium meat.
Yes.
Pero ang kumakain sa'yo ay estudyante,
Okay.
nag-work. So, kaya kailangan mababa ang presyo mo. Hindi ka ba malulugi na mahal ang bili mo tapos mura mo ibebenta?
No. To sustain the darag hub,
Mm.
to sustain the darag restaurant,
Mm-mm.
hindi naman pwede na mahalin mo kasi ang tinola is for the may edad, di ba sir, may edad. Yung hindi ito ma-appreciate ng mga millennials.
Okay.
So, in order to sustain the operation of Abing Sarag Chicken Trading, since malapit kami sa 3 school at saka hospital, 2 hospital, I have to cook the pork menu, the chicken menu na ordinary, yung laswa, yung gulay,
okay.
in order to sustain the operations of the
So,
store.
what you're telling me, ma'am, it's a niche market yung kakain nito. So, para sa mga healthy,
Oo.
conscious,
Yes,
ganyan,
oo.
na kaya nilang bilhin.
Oo, yes sir.
Okay.
I don't want also magiging mahal kasi ang importante maka-provide ka sa public yung affordable talagang binabalik-balikan dito yung luto ng tinola, yung adobo. Mostly talaga kasi yung adobo is based sa research ni Sir Cookin, it took 60 days sir, no? Hindi mapapanis sir, no?
Ang alin po?
Yung adobong manok.
60 days?
Yes, based sa research nila.
Saan naka-store?
Sa
Jar?
long run, sa diin.
Freezer. Cook, then you put it in freezer. 60 days.
Bali, yung kanyang, ano ba yun? Shelf life.
A shelf life.
Oh, I see. So, tapos painit mo na lang pagkakainin.
Okay. Okay.
Paano yung chicken lang po ilagay mo sa freezer na fresh
The dress.
chicken, dressed
Okay.
chicken? How many months po yun?
Matagal ang pan.
6 months?
Kahit 1 month, pwede.
1 month lang?
Mga 6 months ang mga darag ko. Kung minsan more than
Dressed chicken po yan, ma'am,
Yes,
and
oo.
put in freezer.
Oo.
6 months. Okay.
Ang flavor and prepare.
Okay, so ilalagay na yung coconut water.
Okay. Pakuluin. Okay.
Okay, pakuluin muna natin siya.
Okay.
At lang isa ng chicken stock.
Okay. Saan galing yung chicken stock? Yung previous na linuto?
Secret! There. Okay.
Okay. Ba't hindi mo linagay lahat para mas masarap?
Adjust na sir.
Nakialam si chef. So 15 minutes lang, ma'am, malambot na yung chicken.
Oo. Kasi yung pinadala dito ni Ma'am Ness, merong mark itong pang tinola, pang talaga para malambot.
Sa tingin niyo, ma'am, gaano kalaki ang ilalaki nitong pagninegosyo ng darag meat? We're talking now of the meat.
Yes, so. Siguro based on sa ngayon, yung association, we have an association na raising the breeder. So based on the inventory and the farmers, makikita ko yung industry na talagang palaki ng
Lumalaki.
palaki. Oo. And pupuntang stable. Kasi nakikita na ng tao na dati yung darag is talagang walang market. Diba? Walang market. Dati hindi nagdi-deliver sa DA, walang outlet ng darag. So talagang, ang importante sir, yung farmers talagang, yung mga good breeders, merong dinideliver sa DA. Yung mga forced slaughter, merong abings na sasalo dito. So, para to sustain the operations of the farm, kahit pambili ng pangbayad ng sa labor, pangbayad ng to sustain. Kahit upa, sir, yung rice hull ng kwan is talagang mahal. Yung mais talagang mahal. So talaga yung farmers talagang hindi nakasustain. So sa ngayon, papunta na yung Padaba into a stable para to help. You know, my advocacy, you know what, my advocacy I was employed at the West Visayas State University at the College of Medicine. Nag-forced retirement ako with the health reason. Pero nakita ko yung base, I was trained academically. Yung during the Padaba, during the DA, yung delivery, sabi nila maraming grants sa DA. So anong ginawa ko, sir? So I'm very good in filing, preparing accreditation documents. So sabi nila itong requirements for the DA CSO accreditation. So talagang marami, sir. But because that's my passion to work on the paperwork, I did, sir. It took me 5 months to finish all the documents. You know what, sir? All my efforts, it really gives an opportunity to Padaba. It was last December 2022, we got the DA. We are DA, Department of Agriculture, CSO, Civil Society Organization accredited. It means if you have if you are already the CSO accredited, you can avail the grants. The
How much
Padaba,
is the grant?
it's already I got the accredited. The first grant I got in March is the 2 million chicken multiplier farm for the darag. So that is 250 breeders. We have a 2 million, 3 housing, 250 breeders, 200 hens and 50 na sulog. It means it will multiply and multiply. And the second, we got the grant of 5 million. It's a feed mill. We have
Feed meal.
yes, village-based
Feed meal.
because the DA identified the 5th district to be the enough raw materials because the 5th district of Iloilo, province of Iloilo, there are so many corns, there are so many arrocera, the rice hull, yung fish meal, marami doon na mga fish meal, lahat halos doon ng raw materials. So the Padaba got the grant. We are so lucky with the Padaba nga we have the Professor Lucia as an animal nutritionist. We are really blessed because the professor, the one of the researchers of the RAG, is an animal nutritionist. She's the one preparing for the project proposal in the feasibility study. The Padaba is very blessed with an angels to help it. You know when my advocacy, sir, you know my advocacy is to help to help the farmers to uplift. Maraming grants sa DA. It's only the documents. You know, the documents, it matters talaga. Di ba, sir? Kahit
Bakit kailangan pahirapan nila? Bakit saksakan ng dami ng documents needed?
Para to prove, like our audited financial statement, like our permits and licenses, if it's updated, di ba? Ito talaga, if legit the association, if capable the association. So this is it. So another grant is, the third grant, only 2 weeks ago, I received, they will give us the working capital.
How much is that?
That is, sabi nila is 500M, the minimum is 300.
500M?
No, 500,000. Now, it's 1 million.
1 million.
Kasi, last year, di ba, yung mga deliveries namin Negros Occidental, yung, di ba, birds flu, maraming ASF. Lahat ng deliveries namin naapektuhan because of the, di ba, tumaas yung cost ng fuel. May AI test, may shipping period, and everything. So, talagang bumaba at hindi namin kinuha yung mga bidding kasi talagang lugi ka sa gasolina, marami ka pang mga permits na kunin yung mga shipping permit, yung iswab, yung mga manok, iswab din, kunan ng swab, ng blood samples at ipadala sa laboratories, talagang hassle talaga. So, the DA, we always present our problem so the DA give us the working capital. Anong gagawin natin sa working capital? Dati, yung farmers A, kasi this is, the Padaba is composed of farmers.
Yeah.
If we have deliveries of 1,000, si farmer A will commit 100. The farmer B will commit 100. So we will lahat i-kwan sila na 1,000 na makomplito. Kasi Padabay, dati ang Padabay is not enough funds, hindi pa stable. Ang ginagawa namin, yung farmers, lahat nag-contribute for delivery.
Okay.
But we have to wait for the payment of the around 1 month and a half, 2 months. So the DA, the solution is the DA give us the working capital. So that if my delivery, yung working capital, let's say we will deliver the 200 heads. So the Padaba will have the working capital, yung enough funds. So babayaran agad yung farmers.
Ma'am, anong position mo doon sa Kadaba?
Manager.
You're the manager. Okay.
Oo.
So talagang task mo to
To market,
to look for funds,
yes,
grants.
oo.
Yeah. Okay.
To PR. Like this, yung I have to facilitate whatever you need. Talagang, I was trained in WBSU.
Yeah.
I was working at the College of Medicine. So talagang,
Sabi mo, cancer patient survivor ka, ma'am? Kaya yun ang advocacy mo is to
help the farmer, to help the cancer patients, because I was working at the WBSU College of Medicine. I got all the help, and then my advocacy is to help the farmers. So this is it. Because of my kauk-ukan with doing the accreditation, I was trained talaga preparing all the train all the documents. Talaga. So this is it for the farmers, sir.
Ma'am, balikan natin. Baka
Okay,
pwede
sige,
na.
pwede na. Pwede na.
Ito na yung binokol, ma'am, ha? This is the... ito,
Tinoom.
tumuog.
Reynold,
na.
come here.
Mainit na. This is the binokol. Mainit na.
Binakol. O, ari pa yung ingredients. So at least, lahat ito na prepare kung gusto nyo matikman.
Mm.
Yeah, you try the fried chicken. Miss Guapa, what's your name? Sophia. Si Sophia.
So, ma'am, gaano kalaki ang potential ng food business using darag?
Kasi, darag is, kahit sa food services, they only, sabi nila, the unique, then the only native chicken na may ganito. So, magiging patok ito. But I only control because before, I don't have enough stocks. Now, I have the
meron
enough
na.
stocks. Pwede ko na mapalabas si fried chicken, pwede ko na mapalabas si tinoom. As Sir Cookin requested na dapat si tinoom magiging matikman ng lahat, sir.
Okay.
Kasi yung mga maraming na OFW, nag-search sila ng darag. So talaga, sir, we have this one. Mapalabas ko lahat, sir, ito sa market. Talaga, we are so happy.
Yes.
Yung matikman nila yung healthy. We also, I want to also the dressed chicken. We also sell dressed chicken.
Dressed chicken. Dito po sa resto, may dressed chicken din.
So I hope more stocks kay para mapalabas ko si fried chicken, si tinoom,
Alright.
and the barbecue. Talaga iba talaga itong fried chicken namin. Hahanapin mo to, sir. That's my recipe.
At
Talaga,
personal recipe niyo.
nagluluto ako, Ma'am Tess. Ito, recipe ito ng lola ko. Dati yung istiwitis na adobo.
Ano po, ma'am?
Istiwitis. You know what is
Istiwitis?
istiwitis?
No.
Ano nga ni sir sa English yung istiwitis?
Aswete.
Aswete.
Inato.
Okay. That's the correct inato.
English niya, inato.
Okay. Now I know. Okay.
So again, ang advantage ng darag meat ay
Healthy.
tender, healthy.
Marimis. Oo. There are so many ano, sir? Taste. The taste is
The
iba
taste,
talaga.
number one yung taste.
Oo. So, I hope nga magiging available niya talaga ito sa... Ang problem lang, we have the small. Sabi nga nila mag-franchise at saka mag-branch out. So, hindi muna kasi marami pang i-arrange kasi yung if I have enough na stock. So alam ko based on the inventory kaya na. Kaya na.
I am Dr. Bernabe Cookin. I retired as university professor of West Visayas State University.
Okay.
I was president of West Visayas State University from 1993 to 1999. Oo.
Okay, sir. What's the long story about darag chicken?
Actually, in 1970s, the World Bank gave a grant for the development of agriculture in the Philippines.
Okay.
And they named 3 centers of excellence. One in Luzon, one in Visayas, one in Mindanao.
All right.
In Luzon, what was selected was CLSU,
Okay.
Central Luzon State University. In the Visayas, it was Visayas State College of Agriculture in Baybay Leyte.
Okay.
In Mindanao, it was USM, University of Southern Mindanao. Now, because at that time the president was Dr. Fernando Bernardo, and they kept on sending representatives to my office because I was dean of the School of Agriculture here at West Visayas State University at the time. inviting me to join them at Bisca.
Mm.
So at one time, 1981, I relented. So we transferred to Visayas State University in 1981. That was still part of martial law years. Dr. or President Bernardo nominated me to the Japan Society for the Promotion of Science. And in STA, National Science Technology Authority of the DOST, Life Scientific Exchange Program. And I was representing Visayas and Mindanao. So we arrived in Japan, in Tokyo, and met Dr. Keiji Inoue at the office of the GSPS. And we had an observation trip around. But what were shown to us were poultry farms, both the large scale and the medium scale and the small scale or backyard. In the backyard, most of the birds being raised are what they call hinay-dori. Now, Dr. Inoue were showing us the large, medium, and small poultry farms. And what were raised there mostly, well, of course, Leghorn to meet the egg needs of the market. But most of the time, there were, especially in the small farms, what they call hinay-dori. Now, dori in Japan is chicken. Hinay is the Japanese national chicken. It cannot be exported. Now, I asked Cecil Arboleda, I said, we are a livestock team. Why are we being shown poultry? Pareho rin yan. But actually, it was the Dr. Keiji Inoue who already made the program of the farms to be visited. So we just followed this program. We were shown what they call long crower. It can crow for 30 to 35 minutes. We were shown the long tail, like Ibon Adarna, where the tail is long up, even up to 10 meters, just curling around the floor. So we were shown the shamu, and it impressed me because of its legs, well-developed legs. But what caught my attention was the hinay-dori. I said, we have plenty of this in Panay, no?
The same
plumage.
Okay.
Oh, so they will not. In 1984, I said we have plenty of this in Panay because most likely because of the land bridge before that connect the Philippines to Asia. That is where how this darag, which we call, reached the Philippines. So I said we are in the right track.
Sir,
What is
so
important-
kailan na-coin yung word na darag?
It was used by our old folks even before. That is
They call
actually how
the native chicken, they call it darag.
if the color is this. Plumage, if the plumage is this. And of course, the rooster is that alibuyong.
Okay.
Alimbuyong. If this is the color, they call it darag.
Oh, I see.
Even my parents were calling it darag. Already.
Oh. So kailan po nag-start kayo mag-research?
When I was informed that Dr. Inoue is arriving in the country,
Okay.
I decided that he will visit Bisca. I decided to collect all the colored chicken. I even brought some from Panay.
Okay.
All the colored chicken, white, black, brown, whatever, no? Red. I collected from Leyte, Bantayan, even
Those
Samar.
Visayas.
Visayas, from the
Okay.
Visayas. And I placed them in individual cages.
Okay.
When Dr. Inoue arrived, he told me, these are mongrels. These are mongrels. These are nothing. So he said, you must develop your own breed of chicken for breeding purposes. That's what he told me. So, starting from that visit, I tried to collect and put them in group. I went into some collection of the economic performance of the birds that I collected and recorded them there in Bisca at the time.
So this is it. Di ba gusto ko, sir, na ganito na si Darag, di ba? Not only national, sabi ni Direct, worldwide. Makikita ito ng worldwide. So I'm happy for you, sir. Thank you.
Para ng TikTok ka.
Na-stress ako, sabi worldwide. Pero this is good thing for Darag,
Sali
sir.
na natin.
Mamayagpag siya. Wow! Oh! Masarap tingnan.
This is
This binakol.
Binakol.
With coconut milk, patatas, carrots, and coconut water. Delicacy ng Iloilo. Iloilo. Masarap yan kasi darag meat yung chicken yung ginamit natin.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay lang. Thank you, sir. O, kain na tayo. Kain na tayo.
Ito masarap daw to eh. Available na po ang Agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.